Hello dear learners. This Sunday, Unacademy is conducting a combat. What is combat? Combat is a live test in which you will have to solve 20 questions in 60 minutes. What are the benefits that you will get out of the combat? The first and the foremost thing is that you will get the live practice. You can judge your preparation where you are standing, and you can compete with the students all over the country, and you will get the live ranking also. And at the end of the test, you will get the video solutions of the test solved by the top educators of the country. And the most important thing, you stand a chance to win a scholarship up to 100% from a pool of 4 crore rupees. So it's a great opportunity for you people to study from the top educators of the country, and that too by getting a good scholarship. So what are you waiting for? Enroll for this test, appear for this test, and get a scholarship and a practice. Let's crack it.